Welcome to Music Theory Basics. Today we will be looking at transposition, specifically how to transpose up a minor third. But firstly, what is the interval of a third? So here we have an A natural above middle C. So what note is a third above A? Let's write out the A major scale. Now let's remind ourselves of the degrees of the scale. A is the first degree, B is the second degree, C sharp is the third degree, etc. So C sharp is a third above A. So this is a third interval. Let's be specific though, it's a major third interval because we used the A major scale. So how do we change this to a minor third? Let's write out the A minor scale. It's important to note that in a minor scale, the third is always a minor third. In a major scale, the third is always a major third. So let's write out that A minor scale. But wait, we need to know what the key signature is. Take a look at the circle of fifths here. As highlighted, you can see that A minor shares its key signature with C major, meaning that it has no sharps or flats. So let's write it out. And there we have it. You can see that C is a third above A. So A to C natural is a minor third. Let's compare the major and minor thirds. So our first one here on the piano is A to C sharp. This is our major third. And below here we have A to C natural, which is our minor third. So our major third is made of tone, tone, or 4 semitones. Our minor third is made of tone, semitone, or 3 semitones. But does it matter which minor scale I use? As you know, there are 3 different minor scales: the natural minor, the harmonic minor, and the melodic minor. Let's see if it matters which one I use. So at the top we have the natural minor, then the harmonic minor, then the melodic minor. And as you can see, all 3 minor scales have the same third note. So it does not matter which minor scale you use to work out the minor third. So how do we transpose a whole melody up a minor third? Method 1, we could transpose each note individually. So our first note here is a D, so let's write out our D minor scale below. As you can see, F is the third note, so D to F is a minor third. Let's move that D natural up to an F. Now we can do the same thing with all of the other notes. Our next note is an E, so a minor third above E, is a G natural. Our next note is an F, so a minor third above F is A flat. Our next note is a G, so a minor third above G is B flat. Then we have an A, and a minor third above A is C natural. Then we have a B, and a minor third above B is D natural. Now we have another F, so a minor third above F was A flat. We have another E, a minor third above E is G natural, and then we have another D, and a minor third above D is an F natural. So there we have it, our completed melody, but it did take a really long time, so is there a quicker way? Method 2, we could simply use the key signature to help us. So let's look at that melody again. What is the key signature? As you can see, there is nothing in the key signature. So let's take a look at our circle of fifths. And remember to look at the minor key because we are transposing up a minor third. So our melody is in A minor. So what is a minor third above A? A minor third above A is C natural. So this means our transpose key will be C minor. Remember, if you are starting with a minor, the key you are transposing to will also be A minor. If you are starting with a major, your transpose key will be major. For this exercise, we are starting with a minor, so A minor, and a minor third away from A is C. So our transpose key is C minor. Let's take a look at the circle of fifths. And as you can see, our key signature has 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. Let's insert that at the start of the melody. Now we can simply move all of our notes up a third. Don't forget to adjust your stems. And there we have it. At the top, we have our question, and at the bottom, we have the answer. Let's take a look at our 2 answers. What do you notice? That's right, at the top we make use of accidentals, and at the bottom we make use of the key signature. With the key signature, remember we have a B flat, so all B's in that melody will be flat. We have an E flat, so all E's in that melody will be E flat. And we have an A flat, so all A's in that melody are A flat. Thank you so much for visiting Music Theory Basics, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video.